There you are. Hello, baby. Hello, my baby. How you doing? Good to see you. Yes, we'll be there soon. Yo, Mr. 300C, what's good? Your boy's in the minivan, the family van, right around town in the minivan, getting kids, man, picking up kids, put them down. Yo, that's what we doing, freestyling with the minivan. Okay, I'm done. All right, let me give you guys an update with the 300. So your boy got a call saying, yo, the 300 is good to go. We can't figure out what's wrong with it. The car started up. We test drove it. Everything works fine. No engine codes. Everything's good. Your car be ready to pick up here later today. I was like, that's not possible. Like, I don't get it. How does that happen? That thing died on me on the highway. It was so unsafe. And speaking about unsafe, like the scariest part about that whole car dying was on the highway. I couldn't hear anything when I called the police, and it was windy, and I had to go talk to the police inside the car, and I was worried about cars hitting me while I'm in the car talking to the police. So I had to like stick half my body in the car so I can hear on the telephone and then tell the police where I was at, all that good stuff. Anyway, so they said my car is ready. I go pick it up. They gave me the keys. I go start it. Nothing. Doesn't work. I was like, oh my goodness, this thing's not working, yo. Went back inside, told him what was happening, and luckily the service advisor at the time, he's actually in my car club, which is kind of nice, but he knew who I was. Shout out, you know who you are if you're gonna watch this video. I ain't gonna say your name for privacy reasons. But yeah, he told me he can help me out, take care of things for me, have his guys check it, make sure things are better. I was like, all right, no worries, thanks for hooking me up. Said he'll make sure we can get the fuel tank ordered as well. And he was surprised that they didn't process the order since it's under full warranty, or lifetime warranty, I should say. So he got that situated. And that'll take about 3 weeks to get here because they don't have that part in stock. Sorry, this road is really bumpy, so if your boy bouncing, that's what's happening. Get a text this morning. He said, all right, your car's not getting any fuel. Your engine's not getting any fuel. And so we need to replace your fuel pumps. I was like, all right. This car has 2 fuel pumps. I remember back, last year, the year before, I changed out one fuel pump, the main one, the one that's on behind the driver's side. And it didn't fix my issue that I was trying to get my car started on the first crank. It actually made my gas gauges like incorrect. It kept showing like 75% full. So I took that one out, returned it, put the old one back in. The gauges were working, but it still didn't fix my problem because the car wouldn't crank on the first go. So yeah, I'm getting new fuel pumps. Guess how much it costs though? $1,100, man. $1,100 for 2 new fuel pumps. That's with labor included, of course. And I know that's a lot of money. Could I do it myself? Probably. Took out the main one before. I can do the second one as well. However, I don't got the time to do that, man. All my kids playing sports. I got my work that I'm heavily involved in. We travel a lot when you have kids that play sports. I can't afford that kind of time to even mess with a fuel pump. So the dealership is gonna have to do that for me, and I gotta just bite the bullet, pay $1,100, get that situated. So now they have my car. I don't know when they're gonna have it done yet. I don't know they're gonna just hold on to it for the 3 weeks and wait for the fuel tank to come and then do one big swap altogether, or if they're gonna do the fuel pump, get it working, then I get the car, then I reschedule to go back for the fuel tank, sure they want to do it all at one go, because it's a lot easier to take the fuel tank out and get the pumps once you drain all the fuel out. I'm sure it's a lot easier. So that's where we at right now. I miss my baby. I need my car back, and I need some more V8 love, man. So that is the update with your boy. Let me know if you got any questions, comments, or concerns. Y'all probably gonna eat me up on the comments with the cost I'm gonna end up paying for this joint, but don't worry, we're still gonna keep it 300 for a little bit longer. That's still the plan. I mean, maintenance is maintenance, right? I think the average maintenance for a car is anywhere from $1,000 to $1,400 a year, and that could be gas, brake, tires, other components, so forth. That's the average. So I definitely hit my average with this cost right here. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thanks for rocking with your boy. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.